This machine is a 3-axis CNC Bedmill sold under the name of SIBER HEGNER, which is a company located in New Jersey that took, in this case, a Taiwan-built milling machine built by Long Chan Machinery and mated it with a Dynapath 20 3-axis CNC controller. So it's the RB-1 SIBER HEGNER. Watch it run. The variable speed milling head, 3 horsepower drive, is nice and quiet throughout the ranges. This machine does not have a tool changer, of course, but it does have spindle braking automatically built into the program, and it has coolant which can go on and off also with the program. Speed changes are manual. There is an air-operated power drawbar, the Align brand. Push buttons for tighten or loosen, and an air-operated spindle brake. And that's our show for today. Thank you.